if I can somehow get Michael and Con to meet, even if it's through my own struggles at home and everything, I'll know it'll be worth it.
Con didn't even connect with me at all. He just couldn't connect with him at all. Well, Jo spent most of her time, her spare time, out in the theatre, and she always brought Con with her. I didn't like that, you know. I didn't think Con should be in the theatre all the time. I went downhill mentally, and then went back on the drink heavily, and I lost my job. I suppose that was the end of it then. The real end. Jo filed for divorce, and I hardly saw Con maybe 2 or 3 times, very, very briefly, and that was it.
I think I understand why Andy's doing this. I really think I do. Yeah, but he's missing one glaring problem. It's my father. He left my mother 25 years ago because he was jealous of her talent. Did he tell you that? Yeah, he's back acting again in the theatre. So what? Big coincidence, isn't it? Do you not think it's to get my attention, to make this documentary more interesting? I don't buy it.
Bye-bye, Con. Yeah, really apt name for who you really are. But, you know what? I forgive you. I do. And I'm really glad you're living this falsehood, because at least I know who I am.
He didn't have a stable background, a stable home, and he didn't have the same friends all the time. We were people on the move. In retrospect, that was probably very difficult on a little boy.
He's burying pain. And you know where his pain comes from? You. Why do you think he even takes to the bottle? Huh? Why do you think he even does that? Get off my land! Do you hear me? Get off my land now! All in!